Hi, this is Chris with WTI, and I want to tell you, as somebody who lives in Canada and I have to deal with driving in all kinds of weather, I'm so thrilled with this purchase of the Travelon 4-in-1 emergency car tool. It is just such a relief to know that I've got it with me, and I want to show you all about it. This is as simple to put together as putting batteries into a flashlight. It does take 2 AA batteries, which are not included. And you'll notice the magnetic base, which houses the heavy-duty magnet that can attach the tool to the body of the car when needed. I think in an automobile emergency, this is the one tool that I don't want to be without. It's got a very powerful flashlight. It's really bright, and it was also very easy to turn on and off with just the simple click of the button. It also has this flashing red beacon that will alert others to your location, and it's very powerful. It doesn't matter what direction, whether I'm holding it one way or the other. I'm also so impressed by this window spike. It's very heavy duty, and it will actually break through your side window in case of emergency. And you can notice the sturdy little attachment that says seatbelt cutter. It will actually go right through, and it will cut a seatbelt off and even go through heavy clothing quickly and easily. It can fit very easily within the console of the car, so I can grab it whenever I need it. I feel so much more prepared thanks to this, and I'm sure you will too. And that's my point of view.